Hi guys, my name is Alessandro and I'm the founder of Guided Light Healing. Hopefully you guys have been tuning in and this isn't the first episode you're catching. If you are, you'll still get something amazing out of it, but I strongly encourage you, go back and listen to the other episodes. Guided Light Healing and myself, we've been teaching intuition for so long. There is an important recipe that has to be followed step by step. And I want each and every single one of you out there to get it. So if you haven't yet, go back, start from the beginning in this mini series, and you're going to be blown away by the results. With that being said, it was really cool seeing all the questions and all the experiences come in between the last video and this video. Now, one of the things that people started noticing in this communication was two things. One, they felt it very hard to focus and concentrate when the stakes were really high. What that means is a person is emotionally connected to this. And this is why I was saying, don't do anything too big in our last video, because the bigger the stakes, the more the emotions are gonna kick into high gear. And the more the emotions kick into high gear, it's gonna be like turning up the heavy metal music in the head, and it is going to be impossible to hear the information. The other thing was, people asked, so in this state, when things are a little bit chaotic in my life, how the heck do I slow down and do this? I'm finding it a little hard. My brain is wandering and I can't really find the stillness. Now, there's a ton of ways to do this, and you guys are gonna learn a ton of these in the intro course on intuition that we're doing live stream at Guided Light Healing. So there's something pretty remarkable about the body. Again, this is going back to a science of how the body works, but basically, the body doesn't know the difference between real chaos and imagined chaos. So how can we use that to our advantage? How can we slow down our body? Tell the body that we're safe, calm it down, calm down our emotions so that we can start to hear the intuitive information better. If you can start to control your breath, your body's gonna go, wait a minute, our breath is starting to be controlled. It's starting to slow down. We must not be in any kind of threat. We must not be in any danger. The most important part about this is that we slow down our breath enough that the body goes, there is absolutely no way that we are in a threatening situation because we are breathing so slow. If we were being chased by a lion right now, it'd be a scary situation. You wouldn't be here watching this. But anyway, if you were being chased by a lion right now, your breath would be super fast. The oxygen would be trying to pump through your body to give your muscles what it needs to get away. But the opposite is also true. If you start to slow down your breath, the body's gonna go, it is physically impossible that we are in any kind of threatening situation right now. We can relax, we can let go, and now we get out of the way of allowing all the intuitive information to come in, the answers to come in to get us to where we need to get to. And the more controlled equal inhale and equal exhale breath you can get into, the more the body is going to let go and go, oh, we're safe right now. And this is where the intuition is going to become louder. So what I want you to do is I want you to combine this with the earlier techniques in the creating a belief step, and then between the step of going, higher self, please give me a clear, definite lead on this, and then noticing, I want you to add this step right before that. I want you to, situation permitting, slow the breath and even it out as much as you can. Once you've spent about 15 to 45 seconds in that space, then go to that step 2 that we covered in our last video on, please higher self, give me a clear, definite lead on this. And you guys are gonna have so much fun with this. This is going to yet take it to another level. I know you guys are gonna have some amazing stories and incredible feedback. It's so cool, all of you out there writing in and realizing how remarkable your intuition is, how the questions you're asking and finding out that they're actually answers to the things you wanted to know and that they were right. That there is not a more fun thing than seeing the light bulbs go off and people enjoying this process. So with that being said, this is just an intro. This is before we even get into an intro course at Guided Light Healing. There is so much scientific information. There are so many incredible processes that if you go through these with us at our schools, you are going to have a scientifically dialed in accurate instrument that you are going to use in every single area of your life. You are going to be able to intuit and predict what your partners need when they need it. You're going to be able to intuit and predict at work what is going to happen, what is worth your time and your investment, and what isn't. Financially, to know where your money is going to grow the fastest, when it's time to take it out and to put it into other locations, when it is time to make those hard decisions. You'll be able to read your body and know what it needs, when it's sick, how to get healthy as quick as possible. You'll be able to help other people with this. And I promise you, you will change every single life you touch having this gift realized and open. Those of you out there who are blown away and loving what you're doing with your intuition so far, you aren't even scratching the surface of how good we can get you to be. If you're loving this, which I know each and every one of you probably are, I encourage all of you to write in and ask, is the mini intuition course that you guys are doing at Guided Light Healing via live stream, is that a good match for me? Should I start there? Or the professional course that is going to be so in depth that you guys will be able to teach this to other people and you guys will be able to flex so beautifully in the world and astound people? Is that course for me? Write in, we will let you know. We have nothing to lose by making sure that you're at the right place and in the right material and taking it all in. If you're not there yet, we will let you know. We can also get you there. That is the beautiful thing about Guided Light Healing, is it scales to everyone. This course scales to everyone. And whether you're advanced and you're going back to these tools, I can't commend you enough on that, because it's the basics that make us great. I hope you loved this series. It really, really seemed like you guys did. We are on the precipice of launching our intuition mini series at Guided Light Healing, which is going to be interactive and live stream. This series it's going to consist of about 4 classes. And whether you're super advanced or brand new to this, there's going to be something for everyone in this. We have been doing this for so long. This is one of the most dialed in programs that I've ever seen, and you are going to be able to do things you never thought were even possible. You guys are going to have so much fun, and it is just going to be a blast. You're going to meet some of the most remarkable people. You'll get to see me on a pretty regular basis, and hopefully I'll get to make you laugh. But most of all, I know I can make you great. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for joining me on this mini series. It was a lot of fun. It was so cool hearing all the cool stories and getting all the questions and hearing how you guys came up with your own exercises. It was really, really rewarding, and it makes doing stuff like this just amazing to do. It's been such an incredible ride with you guys. My name is Alessandro. I'm the founder of Guided Light Healing, and I hope to see you guys in these courses and classes we have coming up. I know how they've changed my life, and I can guarantee how they're going to change each and every one of your lives. Take care.